Welcome to Tools Inspector. Here we bring you the best in tools, inventions, and creativity. Today's lineup is sure to impress. Don't miss it. Watch this beast of a machine turn heavy materials into manageable pieces. The amount of power behind this machine is incredible. This machine makes precision cutting look almost effortless. Every movement is fast, clean, and perfectly controlled. This powerful machine turns raw crops into usable feed in just seconds. The speed and efficiency of this process are seriously impressive. This clever tool makes laying a perfectly smooth line of mortar look incredibly easy. Simple, precise, and incredibly satisfying to watch. This powerful maneuver shows just how impressive these massive ships can be. Moving something this huge with such precision is seriously satisfying. This powerful forestry machine can cut, process, and prepare a tree in just moments. It's a perfect example of heavy machinery working at its best. It's amazing how this simple machine transforms raw material into a perfectly finished piece. A little precision can make a huge difference in the final result. This machine turns ordinary potatoes into perfectly uniform slices at incredible speed. Every slice comes out looking almost identical. This clever setup makes moving heavy industrial materials look surprisingly easy. This simple technique turns potatoes into perfectly even pieces in seconds. The speed and consistency make this process oddly satisfying. Watch how these massive pipes are stacked with incredible precision. One small mistake could throw the entire process off. This satisfying process removes years of buildup and leaves the ship's hull looking brand new. Watching all that buildup disappear is incredibly satisfying. painting the road with perfect precision, one line at a time. This powerful machine cuts through wood with incredible speed and precision. Cleaning the leaves from the floor, leaving the surface looking fresh and spotless. This powerful machine peels away the old road surface, preparing it for a fresh new layer. Arranging these bricks with perfect precision makes the whole process incredibly satisfying. And that's it for today's lineup. If you enjoyed these satisfying tools, machines, and inventions, make sure to stay tuned for more from Tools Inspector.